I don't know. I thought that's what you're supposed to do.
All right, good morning, Mr. Good afternoon, Mr. Perkins.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Did I hear? Did I hear? Yeah.
Mr. Matthew Bowe and Mr. Derek Long, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sign it later. That's that amended probation order they needed.
Who's this?
That's for, you remember how his probation was reduced or something, and I thought they would just do it
This
on
is the guy that
the old
had the
one.
drunk driver, right?
And I printed the ROA, I think, so you can take a look at it.
I thought he was closed out. He did community service and all that.
No, he's supposed to do 200 hours, but did he have a compliance letter? Because we amended it, he had fines, and then he couldn't pay them because it's been so old, it was so long ago. I think he ordered him 200, and then that's when I'm waiting for him to give me that paperwork. Okay, thank you. So I gotta send this to her.
All right, we're gonna wait on the court reporter to check in, and we'll get going. In the meantime, what I'll do is I don't know if you got the offers, but one of the offers for Matthew Gold, he's doing allegedly doing 21 to 25 miles an hour over. They're offering him a speeding 70 to 60, so a 1 to 10 over, 6 to 10 over. That's going to be $135 fine and 2 points on his driver's license. And then Mr. Long, I wonder if these cases are open or not. He's got the alcohol-related violation, and that's a 3-month delay. And I'll dismiss the non-payment of $240. I don't have a city attorney yet for you to, if you need to do any advocacy on their behalf, but I can put you in a breakout room if you want to talk to them, Mr. Triplett, or if they want to talk to you. Anybody hear what I said?
I couldn't hear. It was breaking up a little.
Did you hear what I said?
I heard everything.
The last part I didn't hear. It was breaking up just a little bit.
All right. Did you hear what I said, Ms. Triplett?
I did, Judge.
All right. Who wants to speak with the lawyer?
I do.
All right. I'm gonna let both of you speak to him. Join the room, please. Mr. Gold first.
Okay.
Yeah, start here.
Who is it?
All right, you're in court now. Who's on the iPhone? Please unmute yourself and state your name, please.
Larry Lodge.
Tell me this.
Larry Lodge.
Larry Lige, good afternoon. All right.
Good afternoon.
All right, Mr. Gardner. She's not on here yet. Kia Gardner.
Thank you, Papa.
You want
There's a long conversation going on.
What's that?
There's a long conversation going on.
I don't even see my breakout rooms over here on the screen. Let me see.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hey, good afternoon.
Is the gang all here?
Pardon me?
No, I was just asking if the gang was all here.
Yeah, everybody except for Mr. Goss. There's triplets here in the breakout room with,
Oh, okay, so we do have house counsel. Okay. Ready when you are.
all right. Is that Mr. Larry Lige again? Sign back on? On the iPhone?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Is it two or more?
Let's see if this, Derek Long. Let's see. Yes. You got some tickets, Mr. Long, in May, beginning of May.
Yes, that's the that was the ones I was supposed to have on the 26th.
We're gonna make it a one-stop shop and get you an offer to resolve all of them, all right?
Okay.
Do you have, driver's license? Well, probably don't have a driver's license, but do you have registration and insurance?
I had the registration to the car. I had misplaced it. I told the officer that when he pulled me over and gave me the tickets. When I tried to go to the Secretary of State to get the registration, they told me that the car was never registered. But I'm asking them how if I came there to get my title and everything switched over.
All right. I don't. If you got to explain that to the lawyer.
Okay.
You get in the room. I just needed to. If you have some insurance and registration, I could probably, the city attorney will probably take that under consideration. But you talk to the lawyer, and I'll get you a new offer. Let me make sure he comes in here. So
Okay.
Live. They're kind of being a little strict on these speeding tickets. You have an offer here for speeding. Instead of getting a limited access, they're trying to make you eat 2 points for this 16 to 20 over. And really, they're 16 to 20 over. So they were allowing people to take a defensive driving course for the speeding tickets to get those reduced, but they're not doing it. It doesn't seem like he's offering that now. Here he is now.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Very well. All right, so I have Mr. Derek Long who needs an update offer. All his stuff is in there. All right, Mr. Lige, can you put your stuff on mute? You got people in the background.
Yes.
No more defensive driving for the speeding?
Huh?
Or defensive driving for the speeding? Oh, you didn't have it marked, so.
Oh.
All right, so if anybody's willing to take the defensive driving course, if you got that excessive speed, then you can probably get a better offer if you come back and take that course. But we have everybody here. What's
Judge, I need
Mr.
well, I don't have offers. Let me start that. So I can't even say, as it relates to Mr. Gold, I need an offer and a prosecutor, probably.
All right, the prosecutor's here. Mr. Gold, let me look him up and see exactly.
I have a license. I'm sorry. We have a valid license too, Judge. Car's registered. He has insurance.
It looks like Mr. Gold has two pending matters, and that's it. And that's the 21 to 25 over and no ops. The offer here is it's kind of confusing to me in that what is this saying, Mr. Ross?
Oh, Mr. Goss is the prosecutor. Okay.
Yeah. He did say that he would be willing to let them take a defensive driving course to see if they can do better. And but you know the rules on that. They got to come in and take the course and give us some information on what they learned in order for them to get the reductions.
So what's the reduction, Judge?
It depends on how they do on the course.
Okay. Can I call Mr. Goss? I think I have his number.
Huh?
Can I give Mr. Goss a call? I have his number.
Certainly.
Thank you.
So it was FTD.
FTD and speeding?
21, 25. If he takes the course, it'd be much better. Hold on. Okay.
Judge, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go back to the breakout room if you don't mind.
Okay.
Ms. Nash, can we get the driving record?
Okay.
Get you happy. You good?
Hey.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
All right. I hope everybody utilizes the services of a lawyer like Mr. Gold is.
We're ready, Judge.
All right, and what is the resolution gonna be?
Resolution is that the people are saying if Mr. Gold takes the class, the driving class, that the people and takes it seriously. And after they feel like he's successfully, I guess, answered questions or done what it is that he's supposed to do as it relates to the class, that they'll dismiss the misdemeanor and that he'll get a blockading for the speeding. And he understands he has to take the class serious and be prepared to answer whatever questions posed by the court.
And also, if he doesn't take it serious, it'll be a limited access.
I understand.
All right.
I want him to understand that too.
All right, so next up, we're gonna have Mr. Long. Mr. Long has a alcohol-related, drinking in public. He got a solo pub. I don't know how they know it's tequila in there, but unless you told them so. But anyway, it also has he also has a 3 unregistered, untitled, no ops, and a no insurance misdemeanor. The offer for him would be to plead to the alcohol. I'll take it under a 3-month delay. I'll dismiss immediately upon payment and failure to display. Both of them I'll fine them $240 for. Failure to display, I won't take that under delayed sentence. And then the other 2 will dismiss. That's the offer as it stands now. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Long, and he can speak with you, and I'm gonna put Mr. Gold stuff on the record.
Okay.
Join that room, Mr. Long. Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Matthew David Gold, case number SP 121-52471 and SP 121-52481. Appearance for the record, please. We don't have, she's in the breakout room. So, Mr. Gold, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with the House Counsel and Ms. Triplett. They tell me that you want to take the Michigan defensive driving course so you can try to lose some of these points. I see you got a CDL license out. I know you don't need these points on your license. So here's how the deal goes, sir. I'll put it in the chat. Did you get that chat? I want you to take a screenshot because we want you to take this course specifically. And that we want you to if you just put it in the Google search at Michigan Defensive Driving, you're gonna get a lot of different, things. So we want you to put the www.michigandefensivedriving in. Please select the Detroit Defensive Driving option and take that course. It's 14 quizzes, it's 14 chapters with a quiz after each chapter and one final exam. You'll get a certificate. I'll put my information in the chat so you can send it to me. I'll give you 30 days to do it, December 6th, 2021 as a pre-trial. And here's how it goes at 8:30 a.m. If you when you take the course, we want you to take some very good notes because we want you to come in and we want you to tell everybody that's in court or viewing online what you learned from this course. This course has a lot of in-depth information, and we want that in-depth information. Don't want you to just get on here and say you're not supposed to speed and you're supposed to stop at stop signs. We already know all that. We want to know the reason why they say that, okay? So, whatever those reasons may be. So it's some information I'm sure that you can probably get out of this. And I'm sure it's a lot of information that people don't realize, even seasoned drivers. So bring that information so you can kind of take people back to school on this, and then you can get a much better offer, all right?
Okay.
So your offer is going to be dependent on how you do, all right?
Okay.
Are you have any further questions, sir?
No, I do not.
All right, so December 6th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. I'll see you back then. Make sure you send me that, take a screenshot of that information. Make sure you send me that information ahead of time so that we can get you, I'll have it for your file and we can get you in and out, all right? And bring some money with you too.
And you're talking about the certificates, right?
Yes, the certificate.
Okay.
Have some money on that day too, so you can pay these fines.
Okay.
All right, you got a good job. All right.
All right.
If it's me, I'll see you back on December 6th. December 6th.
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great one.
Okay.
Same thing, Mr. Lies, you as well. They're cracking down on this speeding. You got a 16 to 20 over, and if you want to take the Michigan Defensive Driving course, you can get you there as well. You also have a failure to display a valid driver's license, amended from driver's license suspended, but I'm sure that with the work Ms. Tripp has done, she could probably reach the same agreement if you're willing to take that course. Are you willing to take the course as well? Can't hear you, on mute.
I'd like to know when the course began.
The course begins when you start. You need to sit up, sir. It's court. You sit up. The course begins is online, so you do it on your own time. It's an 8-hour course if you sat down with it all day, and it's 14 chapters, and it's a quiz after each chapter, and it's a test at the end, a final exam. So you're really gonna have to take good notes, but if it's saving you right now, they're trying to offer us a 2-point offense. They'll dismiss the license suspension ticket, but you still 2 points. If you want to take the 2 points, I'll fine you $125. Or if you want to save yourself some points, take the course.
I'll take the course, Your Honor.
That's a smart thing, because that money ain't nothing up front. The insurance company will get you good for a couple of years. So let's do this. Let's do this. Since you want to take the course, we can get you out of here too. Let me call the case. Let me make sure that you don't have anything else here outstanding. See those two? And And that's it. This is the City of Detroit versus Larry Lies Jr. Case number SP 1196160, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Lige, we already discussed off the record about this Michigan defensive driving. I'm gonna say that you do the same thing, blocking traffic. If you complete the course and you do a successful job, at the very least, you'll get a limited access out of it. That's a 0-point offense, even though it does abstract to the Secretary of State. But I'm sure you're going to do a good job and do the blocking and get the blocking traffic. It's going to be a $175 fine. And then the other case will be dismissed with misdemeanor. So, do you see in the chat you see in the chat the course name and stuff?
No, I don't see it, Your Honor. Hold on 1 second. I got my wife with me.
He said the chat.
There's a chat button down at the good afternoon, ma'am. There's a chat button down at the bottom of the screen. And then I put the information to the course he's going to take. He's going to have to take the Michigan defensive driving course. And I want him to put that in just like that, www.michigandefensivedriving, so he can get the right. And then he can send. You got it?
I see 4 of them. You need to use all 4 of these links, or you just sent it twice?
I just sent it twice. And then he used my email address down there as well, so he can send me the certificate that he's going to receive.
Okay.
I'm going to have you take Mr. Lige on December the 7th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. All right. So be ready to give us a full recitation of what you learned. All right. Make the city attorney give you that blockading traffic and stop those points.
All right. Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day, sir. You and your wife.
You too.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
You do the same, Judge.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
That's the judge Janelle had, and he asked them questions for real, so you really don't have to be on it.
Who did this?
Word is out.
We're working it. Then we gonna work it. Now, we can't help them if they keep on speeding, and that's it. We do one Michigan defensive driver, you can't keep going back. You're not trying to get Michigan defensive driving rich either.
Your reputation is preceding you, Your Honor.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I think we're doing fair, but right thing we're doing. Let's see what Mrs. Gardner feels the same way. Ms. Gardner, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right. So we got rid of Mr. Lige. He's going to take the Michigan defensive driving course as well. He's going to come back on December 7th.
Okay, Judge.
And then, so just briefly, Ms. Lige has really just a no insurance misdemeanor and a driving, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Do you want to set a trial date, ma'am, or do you want to speak with the lawyer?
I would like to speak with the lawyer.
And the offer right now is to plead to that allowing unlicensed driver to drive and dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor. We'll dismiss the case upon payment of $240. So you can speak with the lawyer, and maybe you might want to take another time and come back one more time. And that may help you, it may not, but we'll see. What about
that same car I reported is stolen twice last year.
All right. You speak with the lawyer. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room when we get to checking. All right. Okay. What does Mr. Long want to do?
He wants to avail himself of the offer, Your Honor.
And that's the two. Okay. All right, Mr. Long.
Yes, sir.
Let's call the cases quickly. This is the city of Detroit versus Derek Long Jr. Case number SP 1171116, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U 6112821. Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Regina Triplett, P number 69160, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Long. Mr. Long, state your name for the record.
My name is Derek Long.
All right. So, Mr. Long, I gave you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Triplett in the breakout room. It is my understanding that you want to avail yourself to this offer that we presented to you.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna fine you $240 for each of these misdemeanors. So it's one is gonna be dismissed immediately upon payment. The other one is gonna abstract to the Secretary of State, but it's not gonna carry any points. I'll give you some time to pay, and then the other 2 cases will be dismissed. All right.
Okay.
All right. So, Ms. Triplett, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Gardner now.
Okay.
Okay, sir, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. Join that room, Ms. Gardner. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 90 days in jail and $500 in fine, and 93 days in jail and $500 in fine for the other misdemeanor.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. You understand you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this off, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, sir, let me draw your attention to first, that's, I got May the 22nd, 2021. That's at around 11:42 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Monroe and Bovian. Did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit police on that day?
Say that one more time. You said it was where, sir?
Monroe and Bovian.
Yes.
And you came encounter with the Detroit police on that day?
Yes.
Or did you have open alcohol, consuming open alcohol in public, some tequila?
Yes, sir.
All right. It became a very expensive night that night, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm gonna find you, is that good enough? I'm gonna find you guilty as charged of the alcohol-related violation. I'm going to take that under a delayed sentence, and I'll dismiss it immediately upon payment of $240.
You said 240?
Yep.
Okay.
And then, sir, let me draw your attention back to May the 1st, 2021, at around 10:24 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Huntington and 7 Mile Road. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Yes, sir.
And did that police officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because I haven't went and took my driver's test just to get my license.
All right. So I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count, failure to display a valid driver's license, which stipulates the probable cause. Counselor, I'll dismiss the other 2 counts.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. When can you pay, sir?
Like sometime, what's today? What's the 4th? I could pay sometime with like the end of this month and the beginning of next month.
I'm going to give you 30 days. December pay by December 6th.
December 6th?
Yeah. I'm going to set it for a review at 8:25. If you've paid, you don't have to show back up. If you haven't paid, you need to show back up.
Okay.
Get that paid so you can get this dismissal on this one misdemeanor, all right?
Okay.
All right, anything further?
Nothing for defense, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, sir. If you don't have anything further.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, Ms. Gardner's waiting on you in that room, Ms. Triplett.
Oh, okay, that's right, I'm sorry. I'm tripping.
So how's the house coming along?
Hey, this is Ms. Williams Law, just calling. Dr. Reeves let me know that the letter that I was due to pick up.
Is there, oh, yeah. You too. All right. So I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with your client in the breakout room.
Ms. Gardner wishes to have the matter scheduled for a bench trial, Judge.
All right. I figured that's what it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Let's call,
She's by the police report numbers. If that's. Attorney Triplett,
Yes.
does she have the police report numbers?
Yes, I told her to get the reports. So she does. Do you have the report numbers with you now, Ms. Gardner?
No, but I can get them.
Yeah, she has to go get them. Yeah, she'll go get them and have them available for the bench trial.
Can we just do another pretrial, and if she has the report numbers?
what if she can't get the reports though?
If she says she has the numbers, I'll get the reports. If she has the numbers,
You have the numbers, Ms. Gardner?
No, ma'am. I have to actually go in person to get them.
Yeah, she can get the report because her name is in the report. So
Yes,
I can just.
and they know me. They know me.
Well, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Kia Gardner, case number SP 1195397, count 1, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Ms. Kia Gardner. Ms. Gardner, state your name for the record.
Kia Gardner.
Your Honor, Ms. Gardner wishes to maintain her innocence and have the matter scheduled for a bench trial.
All right, I mean, you can put your on the record.
Hey, this is Honorable Court, Dante Gomes, P60162 on behalf of the city of Detroit. Your Honor, I kind of heard what was going on with Ms. Gardner. If she can provide us with the police report number, we wouldn't have to go through a bench trial at all. I would be able to dismiss it. So I would request another pretrial, just so she can provide the information, so we can resolve this rather quickly.
Well, I got pretrial date of December 10th, 2022. I just want to make sure that whatever, if she can't get the reports or something happens with that, then
I guess she doesn't have a attorney, but if somehow they can give you the information, I could look it up on my end also. I'd rather not have have to bring in a police officer to dismiss the case.
Well, I would rather not have Miss Gardner have to continue to come back, because if she doesn't get what you want to dismiss the case, and she still wants to fight it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know if I'll put it this way. Let's set it for a trial date, and then what we'll do, Ms. Gardner, we'll give you the court number. When you get that police report, you can call us with the police report number. My city attorney is here every day, and he will be able to work with that, and then we can call you in before that. How about that?
Okay. That sounds good.
Also, Judge, I'm sorry, Ms. Gardner, bring your work record showing where you were that day. You said you were at work, so make sure you bring that too, okay?
Okay.
If there's a time card or something stamped, bring it.
Okay.
Something.
Do you have an ink pen to write the court number down, or you just want to look us up on the website? It's got the court number.
I'm going to write it down just for clarification. I'd rather write it down.
All right.
Yeah. I have my time.
That works out. That way if she
She
calls
has
in.
her trial date just in case.
Yes.
Not get resolved.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir.
313-965-2402.
Okay.
And you'll ask to speak to Miss Nash.
Miss Nash. Okay.
NASH. And then just let her know that you have those report numbers and we can give those to the city attorney, and then we can have you zoom in probably right then or the next day or something like that. Next day, next couple days. So the sooner you get those reports, the sooner we can get this stuff resolved and we can cancel out that trial date. But right now, if you don't get all of that stuff, you have a trial date set for February 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right, same way, Zoom.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Bye-bye. All right. That's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna remove you from the room. She removed herself. That looks like it'll do it.
Okay, Judge.
All right, Ms. Triplett and Ms. Williams-Law, have a very good rest of the day.
You too, Judge. Thank you. Take care, Mr. Goss.
Okay. We'll see.